Hi guys, and welcome to switching equations from standard form into slope-intercept form. Okay, so we're going to look at this. This is going to help us when we are trying to do some of the harder problems where we're asked to write the equation of a line that is perpendicular to another line or the equation of a line that's parallel to another line, because we're going to be given an equation and we're going to have to find the slope of that line, which is easiest to do when it's in slope-intercept form, okay? So if we're given something that looks like this, so we have negative 2x plus 5y equals 1, we know that that's in what we call standard form because it looks like this, where a, b, and c are numbers, ax plus by equals c. In this case, a would be negative 2, b would be 5, and c would be 1, okay? We don't really need to use that anywhere. It's just good to kind of recognize that this is something that we've seen before. Okay, so we need to get this so that it's in slope-intercept form, which means we need to get y by itself. We need to solve this for y. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to move our x term over to the other side. Okay, so since it's negative 2x, we're going to add 2x to both sides. When we say both sides, we mean both sides of the equal sign, remember. Okay, so that's going to cancel, and over here we're going to have 5y equals, okay, and then we could write 1 plus 2x, but since we want our slope-intercept form to have that x term first, right, it's not b plus mx, it's mx plus b, we're just going to write that 2x first, okay, so it's going to be 2x, and then since it's a positive 1, it's going to be 2x plus 1, okay? So now the y is more by itself, but it's still not 100% by itself. So we need to get rid of this 5. And since it's 5y, that means 5 times y. And so the way we get rid of that multiplication is by dividing. So we're going to divide both sides by 5. Over here, those 5s are going to cancel. And so we're going to get that y equals. And then we're going to have to divide both of the terms over here by 5. Now, 2 divided by 5, we can turn that into a decimal if we want to. That's going to be 0.4, but it's easier just to leave it as a fraction. Remember that fractions and division are really the same thing. So 2 divided by 5, we can just write that directly as 2 over 5. So we can write 2 over 5x plus, and then the same thing here. 1 divided by 5, if you want to turn it into a decimal, it's going to be 0.1, but you don't have to. It's easier just to leave it as that fraction, 1 over 5. And now this looks like y equals mx plus b, and there's our answer.